pressure of the brake system. Check all pilot lights. Check oil-air leakage. Check the safety equipment. Before moving the truck-mounted concrete pump, check whether all moving parts are secured in specified position. Maintenance of transfer case. Maintenance of PTO transfer case. Refill the transfer case with lubricating oil. Regularly unscrew the oil level orifice plug and check the level of the lubricating oil. To refill the lubricating oil, unscrew the oil level orifice plug and refill the oil until it overflows. To replace the lubricating oil, unscrew the oil drain orifice plug below the oil level orifice and then tighten this plug after draining out all used oil and refill the oil via the oil filler orifice until the oil overflows. Please note that the plug must be tightened with a box wrench to avoid the thread slipping of plug head. It is unallowable to operate the transfer case without any oil, and the gear shift is also unallowable while the engine is operating. Refill 8.5 liters gear oil of specified brand as required, which is subject to no excess of the outflow plug with the same height as the transmission shaft. Replace oil for the first time after 200 working hours and replace oil once every 2,000 hours in the future. In summer, pay more attention to the replacement and supplementation of oil, grease. Check the temperature of the gear oil. The oil temperature of mineral oil should be no more than 95 degrees Celsius, and the oil temperature of chemosynthetic oil should be no more than 120 degrees Celsius. Keep the casing surface of the transfer case clean. Check the air pressure and the working air pressure, which should be no more than 0.8 MPa. Refill the bearing with butter once every 1,000 hours to 1/3 of the bearing space. Do not use the mixture lubricating oil, grease of different designations and types. Maintenance of the lubricating system. Apply the lubricating grease. Follow the indications provided in the lubrication schedule below to regularly check the level and condition of lubricating oil and grease in the corresponding lubricating positions. Refill the lubricating grease. Lubrication of non-automatically lubricated concrete pumping pistons. Inch the main oil cylinder and move one piston among them back to the end of oil cylinder stroke. Refill one concrete piston with lubricating grease by a manual greaser. Operate it in reverse direction and refill the other piston with lubricating grease. It is recommended that the lubricating grease is refilled once every 50 hours. Refill the booms with lubricating oil. Fix the complete vehicle. Vertically place the booms after they are folded and then slew them. Refill the lubricating points of all joints of the slewing table and booms with lubricating grease. Fold and unfold the boom sections back and forth and replace the steps above for several times to refill the lubricating grease. Refill the slewing reducer with lubricating oil. Remove the ventilating hood of the reducer and regularly check and refill the lubricating oil. Regularly check and refill the lubricating oil to the brake mechanism of the reducer. Regularly check the gear surface of the slewing mechanism and immediately remove any dirt from the surface if it is found. Regularly apply and refill number 2 lithium-based lubricating grease on all gear surfaces and into slewing bearings in the slewing reduction mechanism. Replacement of the lubricating oil. Unscrew the oil drain plug and oil level orifice plug of the reducer. Drain out the used oil and tighten the oil drain orifice plug. Refill new oil until it overflows from the reducer's oil level orifice. Tighten the oil level orifice plug and the ventilating hood. Maintenance of concrete delivery pipe. Use the delivery pipes with proper pipe diameter and thickness, suitable pipe clamp, and safety pin. Regularly check whether the pipe clamp is tightly locked and whether the delivery pipe is excessively worn out. Regularly rotate the delivery pipe. Clockwise rotate the straight pipe 120 degrees and the bending pipe 180 degrees after 3,000 cubic meters concrete is delivered every time. The delivery pipe must be installed when the booms are folded and without any stress. The clearance between the flange surfaces of the two delivery pipes should be no more than 3 millimeters. It is necessary to frequently check the wear of the delivery pipe. The delivery pipe must be replaced when the thickness is less than the specified value. You can knock the pipe with a hammer to check it. That is, the thickness of pipe will be estimated according to the change of sound. Warning: don't use the delivery pipes which are different in wall thickness and diameter from the original delivery pipe. In case of pumping concrete with high pressure, please choose the corresponding delivery pipes. For the straight and bending delivery pipes within a distance of 3 meters from the operators, immediately replace them when the wall thickness weary condition reaches the specified value. Maintenance of the cleaning system. If the high-pressure cleaning is necessary, adjust the engine throttle to the maximum set value. Use clean water. Regularly clean the filter and water tank, etc., to remove the dirt. If the air temperature is below 0 degrees centigrade, the water in the waterway system, including the water remained in the water pump, must be completely drained out after the completion of work every day.
All right, it is time to bring an end to the introduction to operation and maintenance of Zoomlion's truck-mounted concrete pump. Thank you for your presenting with Chung Chung to have a pleasant and rich journey of learning. You are warmly welcome to dial our local service hotline for any questions. We'll offer you the most sincere service. Well, my job is done. Little Lion Chung Chung wish you a successful construction and prosperous business. Bye-bye.
Our company's products have been successively upgraded and modified. If the content of operation and maintenance is slightly different from that of the vehicle you purchase, please follow the operating requirements provided in the manual.